coming right at us. How is that not down? Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Can you grab my phone, Tyler, and answer the phone? Or never mind.
What's that?
Never mind. It's just my brother.
You're good, you're good. Oh my gosh. Right in front of us. Right above us.
I didn't get a picture of it. What's the matter? Oh, there it is again. Violent, you hear it? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, look at
That's gonna get close. That's gonna get real close.
it there. Oh, really small. That's strong. That's a violent tornado, guys. Where's the right now? It's still on the ground. You can't see it. It's a town.
That is not good.
Oh, no. I don't see anything going anywhere. It
Okay,
has
hopefully-
these electrical wires. I don't think it's down anymore. It's definitely down. Look, there. It's coming.
It's coming back
It's
down.
down, Dad. It's got a ground circulation the whole time.
I think I can hear it.
Oh, there it is. Oh no.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
No,
no.
no, no.
No, that's not good. That is not good. Oh, look at that. Man.
Oh. I don't see anything going anywhere. It has
Okay,
these
hopefully-
electrical wires. I don't think it's down anymore. It's definitely down. Look, there. It's coming.
It's coming back down.
Down, Dad. It's got a ground circulation the whole time.
I think I can hear it.
Oh, there it is. Oh no.
Oh gosh.
No. Oh, no.
No, no, no.
No, that's not good. That is not good.
I don't know.
We're in central Illinois by the river. Time tornado behind me.
We're near Ipava. It's going through Ipava.
That thing? I know. What it hit?
Some solar farm over here. It did. Wow. Is there another one on the left side up there?
There's two. There's two.
Left side. There's a funnel on the left. Well, there was. There's a funnel on the left.
How far was? How far out on the right?
There's a nub. There's a nub. I think I stay here for now. Oh, we can see it.
The motion.
Heading through Ipava now with the ongoing tornado.
This thing's hauling. I don't see any visual damage yet. I think it'll lift it over
I
the
don't
town.
either.
Thank goodness.
That is good. It's also going to be a very small damage path.
We had it on the ground the whole time, like for a minute.
Yes. Still a nub up there.
It's cycling, I think.
It's also being absorbed into this storm, I believe.